Some secured credit cards return your deposit in as little as 6 months if you use them right. That means you can start with $200 and end up with a regular unsecured card without reapplying. By the end of this, you'll know 5 secured cards worth looking at in 2026, and how to increase your odds of graduating fast. The goal here is simple. Build payment history, keep balances low, and get your deposit back. First is Discover It Secured. This is one of the most talked about starter cards because it reviews accounts starting at 7 months for graduation. That's faster than a lot of banks. It also offers cash back, which is rare for secured cards. The move here is simple. Put one recurring charge on it, like Netflix or Spotify, and set autopay. Second is Capital One, Platinum Secured. This card can require a deposit lower than your credit limit depending on your profile. That makes it easier to start if cash is tight. Graduation timing varies, but Capital One reviews accounts automatically. The important part is keeping utilization low. If your limit is $300, staying under $30 is the safe zone. Third is Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Secured. This one works well if you want category rewards while building credit. It can graduate based on account review, and it gives you flexibility on spending categories. Use this if you already spend consistently on gas, groceries, or online shopping. Fourth is U.S. Bank Secured Visa. This one is straightforward. No rewards, no gimmicks. It reports to all 3 major credit bureaus and gives you a clean path to establish history. This works best if your only goal is a credit score, not perks. Fifth is Citi Secured MasterCard. Citi Secured Card is known for simple approvals and stable reporting. Graduation depends on account behavior, and the bank watches payment consistency closely. That means missing even one due date slows everything down. Here's what actually makes a secured card graduate faster. Pay on time every month. Keep utilization under 10%. Don't max it out just because you can. And don't open 3 cards at once. The fastest path is usually 1 card, 1 small recurring bill, and 6 to 12 months of perfect history. So the short version: Discover moves fast. Capital One lowers the cash barrier. Bank of America adds rewards, U.S. Bank keeps it simple, and Citi stays beginner-friendly. Pick one, use it lightly, and let it age. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more credit building breakdowns.